Hi guys, today I have an order from Butterfly Lane Designs, so we're gonna go through that. This was a personal order that I put in, so let's see what I thought I needed at the time. I don't believe I got any printed vinyls this time. I got a lot of decals that I needed to use with the vinyl I already had that I still had some of left from doing previous cups. So the Be Kind, because I still have enough vinyl left from the other three to do one more. Whoa. Sorry about that. But I still had enough of this Be Vinyl left to do one more, so I ordered another decal. I got one of the, it's either serial killer documentaries or Christmas movies. Either way, we either slayin' or slayin'. Shit Show Supervisor. I got another one of the Gnome You Are My Sunshine decals. This one I just thought was pretty. It says Rebel Soul. I got another of the Let's Roll decals because I still have enough vinyl left. I restocked on my favorite Spread Kindness Like Wildflowers in the pastel pink and purple girl. I run on Caffeine, Chaos, and Cuss Words. Fishing Life. Hunting Life, Peace, Love, and Sunflowers. I also got another of my Spread Kindness Like Wildflowers in the darker girl with the darker colors with the butterflies. I got this fishing decal. And I got the F Negativity Skelly Hand. And a couple more hunting and fishing decals. I got another, The Ocean is Filled with Untamed Magic. Good Morning Effers, Let the Shit Show Begin. And Here We Effing Go Again. I mean, Good Morning. Snarky Unicorn. So those are all the decals I bought. And then I got a bunch of the snarky prints. You've been seeing these around. So the Itch Be Gone ones. These might not be everybody's cup of tea, but if you're looking for them, Jessica is printing them in both sizes. So I got a couple in the 30 ounce, and then I got some in the 20 ounce. And then I also got this one, which is like a bug spray can. So those are what I got in this order. Like I said, no vinyl because I have a ton of vinyl currently. If you're interested, my code for Jessica is down below, Butterfly Lane Designs. And I'm going to try, I'm tight on time, but I'd like to get a couple of these wraps on tumblers soon. So, and I'm not going to read you everything they say because they are pretty inappropriate. So that is it for that order from Butterfly Lane. Again, her link, her website, her Facebook group, everything is down below. If you haven't checked it out yet and you need some stuff, now's the time to check. So I will see you next time.